New tonight, a group that's fighting plans for a new light rail in Austin is not backing down. Just a few days ago, a judge threw out a lawsuit that tried to stop the city of Austin from collecting property taxes for Project Connect. But the plaintiffs plan to appeal that decision. KVUE's Isabella Basco shows us what happens now and if more legal challenges could delay construction.
Luis David Ostalugo uses public transit every week and believes it's long overdue in Austin.
Having a robust and really powerful transit system and changes the kinds of living and the kinds of housing that can be built in the city.
And change is coming with Project Connect, a multi-billion-dollar revamp of the city's transit system that will add light rail to Austin. Austin Transit Partnership hopes to start phase 1 of light rail construction in 2027. But there have been challenges. Bill Ailshire is the attorney for the group opposing the project, saying costs have gone up while the project has shrunk.
The voters authorized the biggest property tax increase in the history of the city of Austin, a 21% increase in its general fund tax. But then 2 years later, the city council came back and reduced that plan in half.
A lawsuit aimed to stop the city of Austin from collecting millions of dollars in property taxes for Project Connect. The lawsuit has been dismissed, but Ailshire plans to appeal.
I think the judge made a mistake, doesn't recognize that our argument should have had a full trial, and it shouldn't have been dismissed summarily.
Ailshire estimates that it could take 6 months until a decision is made by the Court of Appeals. He says if they prevail on their lawsuit against the Austin tax rate for Project Connect, it would eliminate funding for it.
Come up with a more feasible plan with an honest price tag and resubmit it to the voters.
KVUE News reached out to the city of Austin for an interview. We received a statement which says in part, the city is pleased with the court's decision to dismiss this lawsuit in its entirety and looks forward to continuing to move forward with Project Connect.
I do think we're still making progress across the board, and I'm looking forward to being able to ride the train when it opens.
And Ailshire went on to say that he plans to be available to testify in favor of any legislation that stops Project Connect as it's currently funded. Live in studio tonight, Isabella Basco for KVUE News.